Hi, Mark Wilkins checking in. I want to tell you a little bit about this class, Securing Applications at AWS. If your company is supporting applications hosted at AWS, then of course, security is a top priority. However, application security in the cloud is a little more complicated. First of all, you have to be able to securely authenticate to your application. Next, you'll need to track who's doing what in your AWS account. And having a little help provided along the way by automation means you don't have to do as many manual tasks. That probably sounds pretty good as well. We will talk about authentication with Cognito. We will look at how we log what's going on in your AWS account with CloudTrail and how we can create alarms and alerts with the monitoring service CloudWatch. And we'll also take a look at Trusted Advisor, which can give us advice on what we should do and what we aren't doing. For further protecting your incoming traffic against DDoS attacks, we can use the Web Application Firewall. Finally, if you're a developer and you're developing applications at AWS, you probably want to know what the API Gateway is and how it can help you with creating hosted mobile applications. Please join me for Securing Applications at AWS, and we will learn how to use these managed services to help secure your applications running at AWS. I hope to see you in class.